Alright, so we're going to do a test and sort of review of the Rothco stainless steel canteen cup and cover set. So what you get in the little box: canteen cup, stove, lid for the canteen cup. Yay. If you're not familiar with these, the idea is you take your canteen cup and stick our canteen in there, stick the stove around it, and the entire assembly fits together in your canteen. There, excuse me, my nose. Fits together in your canteen pouch. Stick the lid on the back. In theory, the lid could go on the bottom, maybe, but it's kind of iffy. And then the whole thing clips together, and we now have a cook set that takes up almost no weight or space. So I'm going to get dinner ready, or prepped, and we'll go outside, start a fire, and see how this goes for cooking dinner. This is going to be dinner. For what it's worth, that actually fits surprisingly well. Okay, let me put this together. Okay, and there we've got the stove kind of preloaded with a little bit of sticks and some very dry grass. I've got some bigger sticks that I'll throw in there once it's lit before putting food on. The sticks are actually pretty green, so let's see how this goes. So welcome back to the sewing room. As you can see, using this stove, actually the stove portion of it, over a fire did not work well. It did get slightly scorched on the inside. Camera will pick that up. Like you can see, it did get a little scorched. And it does smell like campfire. But lesson learned here is I need, in addition to large pieces of wood that are dried and ready, I need to start drying kindling so I can get a fire going. The what is that? The lint from the laundry is good for getting flame, but it didn't. Yeah, that wood was just too wet. So after cooking this over a fire, the lid does get hot, but not obviously not to the point where I can't touch it. It does have this little grab handle at the top, and that doesn't seem to be getting hot at all. I'm almost wondering if that's aluminum, because it just does not transfer heat to me at all. And this, the outside is hot. I would not want to grab this cup. That's definitely stainless steel. It takes a lot of heat, radiates heat that, yeah, it's steel, not aluminum. And the handles don't get particularly hot. I can easily hold this, like my hand is not getting hot at all. And you can see, I got soup. So, am I gonna play around with this more? Probably. Is this something that I would recommend, especially if you're not going to practice with it a ton? No. Is this going to go on a backpacking trip with me? Probably not. I've got a I think it's GSI, like cook kit. I'm gonna keep using that, or mess kit, whatever. I'm gonna keep using that for backpacking. I've got an MSR Pocket Rocket stove. I'm gonna keep using that for backpacking. This is just kind of a neat concept, but no. If you excuse me, I'm gonna go eat my dinner, which happens to be right there. And that was smoking for the longest time, and I kept thinking it would pick up and I get actual flame and the wood would catch, but no. I think it stopped smoking finally.